Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 2, Lesson 24. In this lesson we're talking about being able to solve word problems with a missing part. So we're going to be doing read, draw, write. We're going to read the word problem, do cubes, then draw a picture and label it, and then write a number sentence box in our answer and statement that answers the question. So, looking at this, it says Mina had 13 ants in her ant form. Some ants escaped. Now there are 9 ants in the ant form. How many ants escaped? Mina had 13 ants in her ant form. Some ants escaped. Now there are 9 ants in the ant form. How many ants escaped? Now I'm going to read it again. This time I'm going to do cubes as I'm reading. Mina had 13 ants in her ant form. Some ants escaped. Now there are 9 ants in her ant form. How many ants escaped? Now, $1,000,000 question. Does the word problem tell us the whole? Yes, it does. It tells us that she had 13. So 13 is our whole. Okay, so now we can draw our picture, which we're going to draw our whole since it gave it to us. So we're going to draw 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, space, 11, 12, 13. Now, we're going to circle the part they give us, which is 9. 9 is the part that they give us. That's how many there are now. And then the rest that we did not circle, that's the ones that escaped. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that escaped. So we had 13 ants that were in her ant form, that's our whole, minus the sum that escaped. So minus our part that escaped. It's our mystery. Equals the part that we knew, which was 9. That's how many that were now at the ant form. So 13 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 9. So 13 minus 4 equals 9. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.